We are the fourth group, and today, we gather here to delve into a topic of profound significance and intense controversy: should the development of human organs using pigs in xenotransplantation be allowed in Malaysia? This question not only lies at the intersection of cutting-edge medical technology but also intertwines with our country's diverse cultural fabric, religious beliefs, and public health security. Let's first confront the harsh reality. In Malaysia, the shortage of human organs is a critical issue that claims countless lives every year. According to statistics from the Ministry of Health of Malaysia, last year alone, more than patients passed away while waiting for suitable human organs. Across Southeast Asia, the number of patients on the organ transplant waiting list runs into the hundreds of thousands. The vast gap between the supply and demand of human organs is like an insurmountable chasm standing between patients and their hope of survival. Against this backdrop, the concept of using pigs for xenotransplantation emerges as a glimmer of hope for those on the verge of despair. From a medical and scientific perspective, pigs possess several unique advantages as potential donors for xenotransplantation. Physiologically, a pig's heart is similar in size to that of a human, and the structure of its heart valves closely resembles ours, which has already led to the clinical application of pig heart valve transplants. In terms of kidneys, the filtration function of pig kidneys shares many similarities with that of human kidneys. With the continuous breakthroughs in gene editing technologies such as CRISPR-Cas9, scientists can now precisely modify the pig genome. By knocking out genes that trigger human immune rejection and inserting human immune-regulating genes, the risk of rejection after transplantation has been significantly reduced. In the United States, multiple research experiments have been conducted, transplanting gene-edited pig hearts into brain-dead patients. Although these are not true living body transplants, they have accumulated valuable experience and data for future clinical applications, fully demonstrating the great potential of xenotransplantation technology. However, while we look forward to the promising future this technology may bring, we must also be acutely aware of the numerous challenges and controversies it presents. The most prominent of these is the issue of ethics and morality. Malaysia is a country where diverse cultures coexist harmoniously, with a rich tapestry of religious beliefs and cultural traditions. For the significant Muslim population in Malaysia, pigs are considered unclean according to Islamic teachings. Consuming pork is strictly prohibited, and the idea of transplanting pig organs into the human body may be regarded as a serious of their religious beliefs and cultural traditions. This could lead to strong resistance and unease among religious believers, potentially even causing conflicts between different social groups. Moreover, from the perspective of animal protection, the large-scale breeding of gene-edited pigs for organ transplantation purposes raises concerns. These pigs are born with a specific purpose, spending their entire lives in laboratories and farms, bearing the unknown risks of genetic modification and the stress of a specialized breeding environment, which has sparked profound reflections on animal rights and the dignity of life. The potential risks in the field of biosafety are equally concerning. The pig genome harbors a large number of endogenous retroviruses. These viruses may lie dormant in pigs without causing harm to the animals themselves. However, when pig organs are transplanted into humans, there is a possibility that these viruses could be transmitted to the human body. Once transmitted, they may mutate and spread among the human population, potentially leading to the emergence of new and highly contagious diseases. Although there are currently some detection and prevention measures in place, we cannot completely rule out this risk. A biosafety incident could have catastrophic consequences, not only threatening the lives and health of transplant recipients but also posing a serious threat to the public health security of the entire society.
We propose that Malaysia cautiously advance this technology, allowing non-Muslim patients to voluntarily receive such transplants under strict regulations and ethical oversight. Additionally, public education should be enhanced to foster understanding and acceptance of xenotransplantation.